Hare Krishna, and Snita Sunal with you in 2-minute Mahabharata stories. Let us continue with chapter 6, verse 10 of Bhagavad Gita. Yogi yunjita satatam atmanam rahasistitaha ekakiyata chittatma Nirashira parigraha. We'll repeat. Yogi yunjita satatam atmanam rahasistitaha ekakiyata chittatma nirashira parigraha. Let us see the translation. As we know about truthful yogi, let us continue to know about the characteristics of a yogi. He should constantly strive to concentrate his mind in a solitary place, being alone with the body and mind. He would be free from desires and possessiveness. Let's continue to know in detail meaning. To get to the state of yogi, we have seen in previous episodes. Now, let us see how yogi seeks to reside in seclusion with constant meditation by controlling mind and body to a limitation by getting rid of desires and possessions of enjoyment. So, Sri Krishna talks about self preparation. Then, mastery in any field requires daily practice. For example, to get into 100 meters race, it's very much needed for a person to maintain diet, exercise, practice warm-ups, etc. Likewise, spiritual mastery is recommended by daily practice of meditation. So first recommendation is secluded place, that is, away from worldly environment to elevate the mind toward God. As said previously, sadhana is required, that is, to do practice. The moral is, once we get into contact with the God, one can challenge the world. For example, just like the lotus, which lives in the dirty water with winded stems, but still the lotus is detached from that water, even from its leaf. Therefore, the mind being in samsara still can try with the strong practice of meditation to connect with the God. That is, I will live amidst all the dualities of Maya, but remain untouched by them. This instruction of seclusion has been repeated by Sri Krishna. To keep continuation, watch with daily episodes. Don't forget to watch the previous episodes by giving like, so that you would know which you have watched. Thank you. Good day to all of you.
ಹರೇ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣ. ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ ಭಗವದ್ಗೀತೆ ಅಧ್ಯಾಯ 6 ಶ್ಲೋಕ 10. ಯೋಗಿ ಯುಂಜೀತ ಸತತಂ ಆತ್ಮಾನಂ ರಹಸಿ ಸ್ಥಿತಃ ಏಕಾಕೀಯತ ಚಿತ್ತಾತ್ಮ ನಿರಾಶೀರ ಪರಿಗ್ರಹ. ಈ ಶ್ಲೋಕದ ಭಾವಾರ್ಥ: ದೇವೋತ್ತಮ ಪರಮ ಪುರುಷ ಎಂದು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ರಮಾಣಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಸಾಕ್ಷಾತ್ಕಾರವಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಸಂಗ್ರಹವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳುವುದಾದರೆ, ಸದಾ ಭಗವಂತನ ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮಿಕ ಪ್ರೇಮಪೂರ್ವಕ ಸೇವೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಿರತನಾಗಿರೋದು. ಆದರೆ ನಿರಾಕಾರ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಅಂತರ್ಯಾಮಿ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಇರುವವರೂ ಸಹ ಭಾಗಶಃ ಭಗವಂತನ ಪ್ರೇಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವವರೇ. ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ನಿರಾಕಾರ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮವು ಕೃಷ್ಣನ ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮಿಕ ಕಿರಣ ಮತ್ತು ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನು ಕೃಷ್ಣನ ಸರ್ವಾಂತರ್ಯಾಮಿಯಾದ ಸ್ವಾಂಶ ವಿಸ್ತರಣ. ಹೀಗೆ ನಿರಾಕಾರವಾದಿಯೂ ಮತ್ತು ಧ್ಯಾನಯೋಗಿಯೂ ಪರೋಕ್ಷವಾಗಿ ಇರುವವರೇ. ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಇರುವ ಮನುಷ್ಯನು ಅತ್ಯುನ್ನತ ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮಿಕವಾದಿ. ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ಇಂತಹ ಭಕ್ತನಿಗೆ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮನ್ ಎಂದರೇನು, ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಎಂದರೇನು ಎಂದು ತಿಳಿದಿದೆ. ಪರಮ ಸತ್ಯದ ಅವನ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಪರಿಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿದೆ. ಆದರೆ ನಿರಾಕಾರವಾದಿಯ ಮತ್ತು ಧ್ಯಾನಯೋಗಿಯ ಅಪರಿಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿದೆ.